So let's say we have three numbers, 56, 49, and 42, and they've asked us to find the formula of this number pattern. And then also they ask us to find the 200th term. The way we can go about doing that is, firstly, we have to know what the formula for the number pattern is, right? And what we can do is we can try to find a constant difference, right? So here we can see that this is term 1, term 2, and term 3, right? So we can minus the second term from the first term just to check if there's a constant difference, right? So t2 minus t1, and then t3 minus t2, right? And we can see that we have 49 minus 56, and then we also have 42 minus 49. And we can see we get a constant difference of -7 over here, and -7. So we can see we have a constant difference of -7, right? So if these number patterns have a constant difference, then we know we have to use the formula Tn is equal to Dn plus C, right? And we can see that this is a constant difference that is equal to D, right? So we know that D is equal to 7. And the only other variable that we need to find is C, and then we'll have everything we need for the formula of this number pattern. And so we can see we calculate our D term. We calculate it by minusing the second term from the first term, right? To find our C, C is equal to, just say this is equal to D. So D represents our constant difference in the equation. C is equal to the first term minus D. And we can see that our constant difference is equal to -7. And our first term is 56 minus -7. And that gives us 56 minus -7, and that gives us 63. So C is equal to 63. So now we have everything that we need for the formula. So Tn is equal to -7n plus 63. Okay, so the next question, that was question 1. So question 2 asks us to find the 200th term, right? And all we need to do is we say Tn is equal to 7, and the 200th term is when n is equal to 200 plus 63. Okay, and let's first check what the 200th term is equal to. So that is -7 times 200 plus 63, and the 200th term is equal to -1337. Okay. So just to recap, we can check if there is a constant difference, and we minus term 2 from term 1, term 3 from term 2, and we can see that there's a constant difference of -7, right? So if we have a constant difference, and the equation will tell us that this is an arithmetic number pattern, so it's Tn is equal to Dn plus C. So all we need to do to find the formula is to find our D term and our C term over there. We already defined the D, and the C term is term 1 minus our constant difference. We found our C term, and then next, if we want to find the 200th term, we just substitute 200 in the place of n, and we can find our 200th term.
Uncle Joseph,